adverb. Much like it sounds, adverbs add meaning to a verb by describing it. But they do much more than that. Hola amigos, soy Adriana, embajadora de marca con Spanish 55. Bienvenidos al canal de Spanish 55. Here we cover a variety of topics so you have an easier time when trying to communicate in Spanish. If being fluent in Spanish is something you're striving for, then hit subscribe. Suscríbete. Today we are going to learn the ways adverbs are used. By the end of this video, you'll have 50 more adverbs to use in conversation. Let's do it! An adverb is a word that describes a verb. Ella corre rápido. An adjective. Él es muy alto. Another adverb. El viaje terminó demasiado pronto. Or even a whole sentence. Afortunadamente traje el cargador de mi celular. Basically, adverbs help you to be a little more precise when describing something. Un adverbio responde a las preguntas ¿cuándo?, ¿dónde?, ¿cómo?, ¿cuánto?, ¿cuánto tiempo?, o ¿con qué frecuencia? In English, it is easier to identify adverbs as they are often ending in ly. But in Spanish, that's not the case. However, you can get a Spanish adverb from an adjective by adding the ending mente, mente. Here are a few examples of Spanish adverbs ending in mente. Let's see how they're formed. General, general, generalmente, generally. Ocasional, occasional, ocasionalmente, occasionally. Fácil, easy, fácilmente, easily. Suave, soft, suavemente, softly, suavemente. And rápido, quick, rápidamente. Alright, let's go over some more common adverbs so you can add them to your vocabulary and understand them better. Adverbs of manner. Los adverbios de modo describen cómo se hace algo. Escucha estos ejemplos. Rápidamente, rápido. Quickly. Lentamente, despacio. Slowly. Difícilmente, with difficulty. Bien, well. Mal, badly. Muy, very. Perfectamente, perfectly. Además, furthermore, or besides. Así, like this. Normalmente, normally. Básicamente, basically. Cuidadosamente, carefully. Ruidosamente, loudly. Silenciosamente, quietly. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place help communicate where something took place. Aquí, here. Allí, there. Adentro, inside. Afuera, outside. Cerca, close. Lejos, far. Adelante, in front. Atrás, behind. Debajo, under. Abajo, below. Arriba, above. Adelante, ahead. Delante, in front of. Alrededor, around. Adverbs of frequency. Estos adverbios describen la frecuencia con la que se realiza una acción. Siempre, always. A menudo, often. Mucho, a lot. Con frecuencia, or frecuentemente. Frequently. Diariamente, or todos los días. Daily, or every day. Bastante, enough. De vez en cuando, from time to time. A veces, sometimes. Poco, a little. Apenas, hardly. Nunca or jamás, never. Adverbs of time. Los adverbios de tiempo se utilizan para dar información sobre el tiempo y duración. Mientras, while, luego, later, temprano, early, antes, before, después, after, pronto, soon, tarde, late, ya, already, ahora, now, entonces, then, hoy, today, mañana, tomorrow, ayer, yesterday, nunca, never, siempre, always, todavía, still or yet, cuando, when. Now, let's talk about placement. An adverb usually comes after the verb it modifies. Cantas bien. You sing well. Duermes mucho. You sleep a lot. Llegaste temprano. You arrived early. When an adverb is modifying an adjective or another adverb, it is placed in the front of that word. Eres muy amable. You are very kind. El bus es demasiado lento. The bus is too slow. Hablas demasiado rápido. You speak too quickly. Está muy caliente afuera. It is very hot outside. Unlike Spanish nouns, Spanish adverbs have no gender, number, or person, which makes them easier to use. Time to go over what you learned. Adverbs are descriptors. They can modify or describe different parts of speech, including themselves. When you see a Spanish word that ends in mente, it is usually an adverb. But there are also a lot of adverbs that don't end in mente. And that is where our list comes in handy, to help you add more adverbs to your vocabulary. Don't forget you can repeat the vocabulary section of this video as many times as you'd like so you can get them memorized. It's a great idea to practice a new language as much as possible. What's even better is if you practice with a certified Spanish tutor. Lucky for you, your first Skype call with one of our certified Spanish tutors is free. Just go to Spanish55.com to book right now. They'll be delighted to meet you. That's all for today, folks. Hasta la próxima, amigos. I will see you in the next video.